the ch and j consonant sounds. These two sounds are paired together because they take the same mouth position. Ch is unvoiced, meaning only air passes through the mouth, and j is voiced, meaning j. You're making a sound with the vocal cords. These consonants have a stop consonant component, but unlike stop consonants, they're always released. The stop consonant is when the front part of the tongue raises and touches the roof of the mouth in the front in the T-D tongue position. The mouth takes the position of the sh and zh sounds, where the teeth are together, the corners of the lips are in, and the rest of the lips are flared. Ch, j. So the tongue will move up and press the roof of the mouth, air builds up, and when the tongue releases, the air comes through, ch, j, making the sound. Here is the sound on the right, compared with the mouth at rest on the left. Notice how the lips in this sound come away from the face. Here, parts of the mouth are drawn in. The soft palate is raised in this consonant sound. Notice how high the tongue reaches. It presses against the roof of the mouth before pulling away to release the air. The ch, j sounds. Sample words: char, jar, chump, jump. Sample sentence: I was on the edge of my seat watching each match of the major tournament. Now you will see the sentence up close and in slow motion, both straight on and from an angle, so you can really study how the mouth moves when making this sound. I, with the I as in by diphthong. Lips circle into the W, was, on, the, edge. Now here we have the j consonant sound. Watch the lips as the teeth come together. Of my seat. Lips pull wide for the E as in she. Watching. Lips make the W. Ch. Here is the ch sound. Watch the lips. Each. Lips pull wide for the E as in she, and again the ch. Match. Again, it ends in the ch consonant sound. Of the major with the j consonant sound. J. Tournament. Lips together for the M, tongue up for the N position and the T. And now from an angle, I, with the I as in by diphthong, was, on, the edge. Watch the j sound. J. Of my seat. Corners of the mouth pulled wide for the E as in she. Watching. Lips make the W. Watch. Here's the ch sound. Watching. Each. Corners pull wide for the E as in she. And now form the ch. Match. Again ends in the ch. Of the major. Watch for the j. There we are. Major tournament. Lips together for the M, tongue up to make the N,
and the teeth together for the T.
That's it, and thanks so much for using Rachel's English.